the Center of Hospitality and Excellence for the Emirates Airline Training Academy. What they wanted was a space that could elevate their hospitality training. So it is something new, innovative, and the pre-concept was given to us by the Emirates projects team. And what they had was a flowing space, aerodynamic, but at the same time, warm and hospitable. That was the brief. So our starting point was to rethink the space as an experience, not just a function.
This space was a warehouse when we received it, and we created the structural steel decking for the mezzanine floor to satisfy the design of having 2 floors, which was given in the design details. Our initial scope was complete from entire A to C, like finishes, the structure, the blockwork, the HVAC, electrical, all the facilities, everything was our scope actually.
So the idea was also to have a very smooth transitional space. So we avoided sharp corners, and if you can see, the space just flows. We used warm tones, curved forms and tactile finishes to create a sense of hospitality and calm. It also has to serve as a multi-purpose space where they could host large events. You see the large screens where presentations could be made. So moving upstairs, we have all the training rooms. Those are classrooms on the first floor. So we've kept the canvas quite bare and neutral so that the Emirates branding team can come in and elevate the space with their brand identity. The central feature actually built around the GAF tree concept, which is so predominant in all the Emirates airlines. It is so enriched in Emirati history, the GAF tree being the meeting place for it, and this is how it has been developed. One of the main features are these columns. They are 3D printed. Each one is different, and it was quite an interesting experience because this is the first time we are doing 3D printing of this scale. So each of these columns were designed and printed, sampled, approved, and that forms the framework on which the space has been built.
We delivered multiple projects for Emirates as in the past, and this project also was given to us a design and build project. We started this project 2024 December, and we completed this on June 2025. This is a fast-track project based on the amount of work and the scope. We have to create a complete mezzanine decking, not just do the fit out for this. There was a lot of structural work involved, plus a lot of interior work. In fact, if you look at the time we got, it's not enough, but since we were committed to Emirates, we had to finish within the time we agreed.
So in every project, you always work with the client to develop the design. But in this particular one, I must tell you, it wasn't a client design relationship, but we were like partners to develop this design and bring it to what it is today. And as you can see, none of the furniture or anything was bought off the shelf. It was all customized, designed for a purpose, and I should give full marks for our collaboration with MFIT, who brought in their passion and dedication to make it a reality.